high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume. Why don't you?
Oh, it is sometime later in the afternoon. I think it's going on 4 o'clock, y'all. I had ended up taking a nap and I did eat some sushi. If y'all haven't tried Thai Fi. It's a sushi place in Oak Park. They're really good. I took Shadow on a walk and then the hair did air dry. But y'all, I really don't feel like putting the hang tags on. So I'll probably do that tomorrow when my little sister come and get her hair done. And I'll just show y'all that part tomorrow. Right now I got on, I'm gonna show y'all my fit in a minute, but I'm going to the gym. I told myself I was not going to the gym today because my body is just beat, but to be honest, that's when you need to go back to the gym. So I don't want my body to be too tight, so I'm gonna get some movement. Like I can't even hardly do that. Like that hurts. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I got on. So y'all, I have on a black sports bra. I have on my Nike Pro leggings with my Nike white tube socks, waist trainer that I have not worn in about, I ain't wore this waist trainer about 2 years, y'all. I ain't gonna sit here and cap to you. And then y'all know, handy dandy Nike headband, catch all the sweat. I hope that we go to Crunch Fitness because they have a sauna and I'm looking to get in a sauna today. And far as like workouts that I'm gonna do today, I really just want to stretch And then I think my boyfriend want to do some legs. I don't really know. I'll see how I feel. I just want to stretch and detox. So if he want to run, that's A1 too. I'll run. But I'm not messing with the whole lifting today. I'm just not in the mood. Sorry, y'all. I don't know if it's just my camera that's dirty or this mirror. Probably the mirror. But yeah, so let's go ahead and go out. Dang, had something stuck in my throat. Hey y'all, so change of plans. Not going to the gym, so I put this on for nothing, y'all. Not going to the gym because he's tired. My body is pooped. Y'all already know me. I'm good for saying some shit poop. My body is poop, y'all. Y'all understand? It's like all of this, my whole core, my legs, like it's terrible. Y'all, I'm tired. So right now we are at the dispensary. And he just want to ride. And to be honest, I didn't really mind. I had all my work done. But yeah, so we about to ride around, do that. Did y'all like my nails? Did y'all see this? My nails are so cute. Ryan, he did the fuck out of these nails. That peck in. Sweat my edges out. I wasn't minding a little. I was trying to get some sun.
I see.
Alright, y'all.
About to get musty. Fucking around.
Hey, y'all. So it is the next day. I ended up just getting done with my homegirl hair, and it is. Tasia, what time is it? What time is it? Yeah. It's 10:50. I got a client at 2. And I'm about to get dressed, y'all. It's hot outside, and I started my menstrual, and I'm just like, it's hot right there. So we about to go get some food, and I don't know what we gonna get, so stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we made it to Babo. I don't think y'all seen me come here before, but I ended up having like a little reel on my Instagram a while back with it on me coming here with my family. So yeah, say hey, Tasia. Birthday girl. So I'm thinking about having a chicken and waffles. I always get the chicken wings when I come here, and they hi, how you doing? They skillet. Okay, appreciate it.
Of course.
I don't know what that candy cheese steak. Home fries. Home fried. I guess that's the same thing.
How are you today?
Hi, how you doing?
Thank you. Was water okay to get started with while you're taking a look here?
I'll start off with a mimosa.
Absolutely. What kind of flavor did you want to do? We have orange, mango, pineapple. Thank you.
Ooh.
All of the berries as well.
You want a mimosa?
too.
What kind you getting?
So we got orange, we got mango. Thank you very much. Perfect. Pineapple, peach, strawberry, raspberry, peach. You got it.
Ooh, I'll do peach too.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah.
And would you like some more time to decide on
Yes,
here? Take your time, guys. I'll be right back.
Oh, we'll start off with the truffle fries.
Yeah, that's a good choice. Thank you.
I know, it looks really good. Thank you. Alright, so peach, mimosa. This is a nice topping. Come on, cheers. So we got the truffle fries, you guys. Shaking a little bit. I'm about to taste them.
Good, but the damn bread gonna make me break a bracket.
All right, you do got braces. I don't know why I overlooked that with you.
Really?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. And I'm just like kind of like on the, oh, you gotta go into what you were saying about Tess. This chicken looks crispy to perfection. I think you should have got the chicken and waffles, and I should have got something else. Cause you really wanted chicken, but you say that's good.
Yeah, sandwich too.
You like sunny side up eggs? Oh wow.
You don't? It's not bad.
Is that healthy?
Yeah.
It's raw.
Exactly. That's not healthy. It ain't fried.
Right. I like mine strong hard, please. That's what I be saying. I feel like the chicken is the same way, like it's fried a little too. But it's really good. A little too much. Y'all, this food was so good. We about to get a second one. Thank you.
Pineapple leaf.
Oh, pineapple leaf.
It's a leaf.
You know the pineapple at the top and the little leaf? Pineapple leaf. Yes, y'all. You don't taste it. You don't taste the pineapple. No, it's all champagne. Did. I know. You know, I miss my lip trying to drink the water. Trying to drink the water. Ooh.
Let me find out you be falling over.
Girl, tripping over my damn self.
I'm talking about let me find out you be falling over. We ain't gotta do nothing else with that Parker shit, do we?
Nah, we straight. Should be. They ain't get me. Girl came out last time to $150 ticket.
Really?
On my birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Shut up.
Alright, y'all. So, less than an hour. I have a client at 2. And then Tasia about to go get her lash and nails done. I need to get my feet done. That's the real tea. After this client, I got another one that I won't be done until about 6:30.
Wait. You don't even fall over.
Hey y'all, so it is like a whole week later. I don't even know where I left off vlogging at. I think it was with my homegirl and her birthday. That was last Friday. A lot has been going on. I told y'all I do need to do a chit chat with y'all. I'm in the process of moving, so it's a lot going on. I'm looking for suites. I'm looking for another place to stay. So y'all, I just gotta get y'all all updated. But nevertheless, I didn't want to keep going on without giving y'all, you know, some content. So right now, I just got dressed. I'll show y'all my outfit in a minute. Nothing spectacular. I'm just about to go to a restaurant. So I did want to go to J. Alexander's. But the gag is, I don't feel like driving out there and then my man get done doing whatever he's doing and we link. I gotta drive a total opposite way. I really wanted a salad. It's like, I really do not feel like driving all the way to Troy. Like, I just don't feel like it. I have on my Louis Vuitton purse with my tan crop top that I got from Zara. Y'all know this skirt. I got this skirt from Aerie, the offline brand that they have, collection that they have. Super cute. I'm about to put on my Sambas and we about to hit the road, Jack. It is time to go. Shadow isn't too far away. It's crazy, but so see y'all when I get there.
¿Qué le gusta? ¿Reposado? Añejo blanco. Y los manes. Raza dragón hasta el momento.
Pretty good, thank you. I think I'm good. Yep, I think I'm good. Y'all, I just ended up leaving. I'm tired. I'm about to go home and go to bed, y'all. Ooh. I remember the days where I could hang, but now I can't hang. Hey y'all, it is the 28th. So originally I was gonna go ahead and end that last vlog, well, end the last clip from yesterday, but I'm not gonna end it. So today, y'all, is one of my childhood friends' birthday, and we are going to the beach today. So it's a girls thing. I don't know if y'all can see my outfit, but I just got on this cover-up shirt with a emerald green bikini top, and I have on these BDG from Nordstrom's or Urban Outfitters. You can grab them cargo shorts, and they are like in a mustard color, and then under these I have the bikini bottoms to match the emerald green top. My glasses, my boyfriend got me these, but y'all, these are so dope. I love the lenses. It really blocks out the sun and just gives me like a more neutral look through these, and I really need to clean them. But yes, y'all, so my best friend, she is 13 minutes away, probably 10 now because I've been running off at my mouth. So I'm about to stop at CVS down the street, run back, and then we are about to go. I'm gonna grab us a cup of water. I know my friend said she might need us to bring blankets and towels and stuff. I'm gonna bring 2 yoga mats because I don't have a blanket, because long story on that, Shadow's very irritating. So I'm gonna bring my yoga mats and 1 towel. So yeah, I'm about to run to CVS, and then I'll see y'all when she gets here. Just a little update on the beach that we are about to go to. We are going to Kensington Metro Park Beach. I've never been here. This is straight out west of 696. If y'all been to that park, let me know. Comment down below how y'all like it, and then I'm gonna update y'all in my next vlog on how it went today. So let me go on CVS, and then I'll holler back at y'all because I'm trying to meet her back at my house. Boat rental. What you want to do? Kayaking? Double kayaking.
What's the difference between a kayak and a canoe?
You know, a paddle
That's the
boat.
rowboat.
A rowboat need gas.
You were rowing, motherfucker.
Oh, and these the paddle. Paddle, row, and then what's these big ones?
You ain't getting it.
No, we might. If it's how many whores is here?
They want to paddle.
They ain't say nothing about no paddle. She said kayak / canoe.
She want to paddle.
Oh
She
no.
wanna row the
Oh, when I
boat.
think of paddle, I think with your feet.
Yeah, that's what.
That's paddling. I did that before. I did kayaking and paddling. Kayaking, we did a double. We was just using our hands. I don't know what canoeing is. This long ass line. And it's like I will stand in line, but then again, we don't know which one they want to do. I'm getting the water. Yeah, see, I ain't getting on that slow ass thing. We'll be in that thing forever. Start pouring down rain, I'll be pissed off. Say hi to the vlog.
Getting on that water. Yeah, boy. Put a porta potty in the trunk with the dog. The poop thing.
Puppy bed.
Yeah. Hey, how much are these?
It should be pricing.
There's no freaking way you really rolled them up. Listen, if I could tell you what I did with this thing in the last 30 days, you would be amazed. Y'all heard that? Yeah. Y'all heard that. She trapping in the fan.
Who says I got room?
She ain't got no room.
She ain't got no room. Start livelihood with the my fanny pack. We don't need to be stuck in it if I can't get money.
That's heavy. She ain't ready. They getting settled in the boat, y'all. We're doing kayaking. Me and Nene is gonna do double kayaking, and then Lavonda is gonna do single. So this shit is about to be funny. Nene, you probably should have brought your tripod.
Here, I was trying to give you some of this stuff in your pocket.
This crazy, y'all. Nah, get your ass on up here. That's a single.
Compartment to put your shit.
Yeah. Come on down here, brother. You in the front? I'm in the back. All right. Ice cream. All right, y'all. So it is a wrap. So the rental, we did the kayaking. It was for an hour for $15. We only did like what, 45 minutes?
Yeah.
45 minutes. We only did like 45 minutes. So that was enough, y'all. I don't play around when it come to that water. You be too close to the water, and it ain't no getting no content on that mug. Ain't no content on the boat.
It's either content or stability. I chose stability.
Absolutely. So y'all, I'm about to get me a sandwich because I've been thinking about this since we got on. All right now. Hungry.
I drowned.
Sandwich, please.
Bitch, you got to give y'all one.
Yeah. That's what we thought you was doing.
Yeah, I figured the hands were still out and it wasn't for the bottom.
I'm trying to figure out what you eating for dinner.
What
Nene?
am I eating for dinner?
Looks like you buying dinner.
Huh? No, it's fine.
Hey, what's these little things?
But look,
Just scrape all that off.
it's pepperoni.
I don't eat that.
Oh, it's not. It's vegan.
It looked too fake.
It's
Oh no, try it.
No,
It's
all
basically
wrong.
good. It's like it ain't nothing crazy. You took the carrots off,
Pepperoni.
but you ate the vegan turkey.
Those is vegan too. Just found out. It just looked a little fake.
You.
What else y'all got?
You been my pickle?
You bet it? No, I broke it. Eat it.
Yeah, that's what I should have got. While y'all trying to poison me.
You ate the sandwich?
I'm talking about that first liquor.
Oh,
That tastes like rubbing alcohol.
a little bit.
I'm just having the whole little meltdown.
I don't even eat pepper. It's perfect. Put it back. No, I gotta do that.
She about to make me drive. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm trying to think if I'm gone. Well, of course I gotta buy some food because I ain't got nothing at that house to cook. So, y'all, I'm about to go home. Cook this. Why I keep saying cooking? I'm not cooking. Ooh. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat. And it's a wrap. Bye.